Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's Photoshop tutorial, I'll show you how to transform a simple wildlife photo into a stunning cinematic image. We'll enhance the colors, improve the lighting, add dramatic contrast, and create a professional golden hour effect that makes the subject stand out. I'll guide you through the entire editing process step by step, so you can easily follow along and apply these techniques to your own photos. Let's get started and see how we can turn this image from ordinary to extraordinary using Photoshop.